Hi, this is the Bübi dishwasher tutorial. So let's say you've got some coffee grounds left in your Bübi, or maybe some juice bits. You want to put it in the dishwasher. Well, first, unroll it. And then you want to get rid of these two bits. Just push gently on the neck, and they should both pop out quite easily. Then you've got to take off this little metal bit. It will also slide out quite easily. To clean your Bübi bottle, you need to turn it inside out. It's very easy. Just put a little bit of water in it and some cleaning fluid. Then, move it around a little bit, turn it upside down and push it inside out. Just keep pushing it through with your thumbs. You should get a bit poking out the end. Just grab it and it will turn inside out. Now it's time to put all of these parts in the dishwasher, apart from the steel ring. That doesn't need to be washed, so just put it somewhere safe. Now you need to put these three pieces into the cutlery section of your dishwasher, or you can wash them separately by hand if you prefer. Now you just close up the dishwasher and put your regular wash on. The Bübi bottle will wash at any temperature. When your wash is completed, just take your Bübi bottle out. Then just roll your bottle the right way round, like you did last time. From then, it's very easy to put this rim on. Just squash the top up, put it around, and then push it around all the way down, making sure it fits snugly between the two slots. Push this in by placing it on top of the rim and pushing down hard with your thumb. Then you can just screw the lid on, just get the ring from your safe place and clip it back on, and then leave it somewhere to dry.